Hi, I'm Charlotta, and in this video I'm going to show you how I painted this painting. It's a canvas painting, and I started off with painting the base completely black, and then I let it dry. And I used acrylic paint. I'll put a link to these below because I do recommend them. It's water-based, so you can thin it out with water if you want. And when it's dried, it's waterproof. You only need 3 colors of this to make that painting. And that's blue, white, and black. And then I mixed different shades of it. I think I used 3 different brushes. So one thick for the bigger surfaces and then smaller ones obviously for the details. Okay, let's get to it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos coming up. And I'll see you very soon. Bye!